You want marmalade? Sit down. Which jam you like? This one or this one? I know you love this one. Yeah, my darling, I'm going to miss you.
Are you sure you're going to miss me?
Yeah. So, tea.
Hey! This world that we're living, wonders shall never end.
What do you mean? Your world is good. God has blessed you.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You have a good home. You have children. Even just to wake up
The home
is a reason to celebrate.
The home that I have also is risky for me.
What do you mean your home is risky? What's happened? Is there anything I don't know?
Hey, man. I have to ask you. I'm looking at you with another eyes. Unbelievable.
What do you mean? Drink your tea to wake up.
How can I drink this tea? I'm living with a woman called my wife. She have another intention.
Which intention?
I saw you here and you're just putting a deadly poison inside this tea.
Deadly poison?
Yeah, I saw you. I was here, standing here, looking at you.
What do you mean by deadly poison?
As if saying you are innocent. What did you put here? I saw you just put something here in your own tea. There's nothing you put here at all. You just put that poison, put it here, and hide it here. And you expect me to drink this thing? Even this bread now, I don't even know whether you put something in jail already.
I don't really understand what you are talking about.
You women can
This is the tea I'm always making for you every morning. What is so different today?
I'm afraid in this home because women change these days. We don't know what is in their mind. They wake up one day and just do something dramatically, something you don't expect. You put something here in my tea and tell me to drink, to go to work, so I can die.
What did I put here?
So I can die on the road? Is that what you want?
So you really have the mind that I can poison you?
It's better you go and pack your things and move out of this house.
My God, which kind of devil came over you? Oh, suddenly you start to feel like I want to poison you. Why?
I don't know what is in your mind. We can be staying together. I don't know what is your own plan. Look at it. Shame on you because you know I caught you.
I'm very disappointed with you.
I'm also disappointed at you also. You want to tell me you don't put something here?
God knows.
Which God?
That I love you so much. I would have never even think something like that.
Love, man.
I don't even know how poison looks like.
Women, all of them, they will say, I don't know how poison looks like. But at the end, it becomes poison to kill the man. Drink it if you say you don't put something here.
What? You want me to drink your tea?
Why not? If you say you don't put anything in, drink it.
Hi. I will not drink. Because I know myself.
Okay, if you know yourself, take. Let me take your own. Oh yeah, drink it.
Please. Oh yeah, I drink it.
I'm waiting. You see? See you? Look at them pretending. You see? It's happening. In short, I have to move away from this place. You see what you planned for me? It's better you die. Your parents will just come and take your corpse here. Hey, believe me. I don't think I will die with you. But before they say that it's me who kill you.
Hey! So, you think I will die? You think I will poison you? I'm not dying. Why should I die? Why should I poison you? What you saw that I put in here is vitamin C and D for you. You know you are a last blood chick. You don't have vitamin D at all. Every day I put in the morning in your tea. Every day. Is it just now because you see it?
You are a liar. Who's vitamin D?
So you still don't believe me?
How can I believe you?
So I live with somebody who never even trusts me.
Yeah, because if it is vitamin, you're supposed to tell me, darling, drink your vitamin D.
You must be thankful you have so good woman. Even think about your health.
Where is the vitamin D? You say, because I know the vitamin D. How can you tell me that it's vitamin D? Women.
Oh yeah, this is the packet. Oh yeah. This is what you saw. This.
Is that what you put?
This. I can put here again and drink 10 times. You see it? And I'm so disappointed in you that you even mind to send me back to my parents. And you even have a mind to give me the poison that I will die. So I see that you are the one. You have never loved me. You have never trusted me. Nothing you said that I have to go back to my parents. I'm doing it willingly.
Darling.
Because I don't stay with somebody who don't trust me.
Sorry, please, darling, forgive me. Forgive me because I don't know what to do. I saw you putting something. I am shocked. I said, please. Don't go anywhere.
Leave me. You're supposed to know me better.
Don't go anywhere. Forgive me. Forgive me. From your heart. Forgive me. Please, darling.
Leave me.
I don't know what came over me. You know, I watch a lot of movies and everything. I saw how women are killing their husband and I saw how they take their property and everything. I am shocked when I saw this thing this morning.
Wait. I will go to my parents. Let me think about what you said.
You don't go anywhere. I don't want anybody to know.
Hey.
The devil want to destroy us.
Babe.
Forgive me and he came into me. Please. Please.
Leave me.
Please. 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 Please.
Come. Drink your poison. Let me go think about this matter now.
Darling, please.
I will know if I forgive you or not.
I messed up.